In this question, in higher vertebrates, coelom is formed by splitting of the mesoderm. Then it is okay. They given four options: secondary schizocelic, enterocoelic, primary schizocelic, and pseudocelic. Here, what is the first one? Secondary schizocelic means here the mesoderm is a splitting of mesoderm, and they formed as a coelom. That is the secondary schizocelic. Okay, next one enterocoelic means here mesoderm is formed as pouches. By pouches the coelom is formed, that is called enterocoelic. And primary schizocelic means here in Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca they formed two layers. Okay, they formed two layers, inner somatic layer and outer splanchnic layer. So that is also not the correct one. Next pseudocelic, that is formed by epithelial layers. In the embryonic stage the blastocele is formed as a coelom, that is made with epithelial layers. So that is also not the correct one. Correct answer is the first one, that is the secondary schizocelic. Okay, is a feature that is not applicable to deuterostomia. Means here they are asking not applicable, means that is not related to deuterostomia. Okay, first what is a deuterostomia? The blastopore is developed into anus first, later mouth, there, that is called as a deuterostomia. Okay, what are the first options? Coelom is derived from persistent blastocele. Coelom derived from archenteron. Cleavages are radial and indeterminate, and mouth is formed later away from the blastopore. Here in these four options, what is the first one? Coelom is derived from the persistent blastocele. Means here this statement is related to the pseudocoelomates. Means in them the in the embryonic stage the blastocele is derived they formed as the coelom. So it is not related to the that is related to protostomia. Okay, here not it is not related to the deuterostomia. Means here the correct option is 1. Coelom is derived from persistent blastocele. It is the option 1 is the correct one. What are the next options? Coelom derived from the archenteron, means it is the enterocoelomata. In this in deuterostomia enterocoelomata is there. In that enterocoelomata the archenteron from the archenteron that pouches that coelom is formed. Next in this the cleavages means the divisions are radial and indeterminate type. Next in them deuterostomia means already we know mouth is formed later away from the blastopore. Means first anus is formed, later mouth is formed. So what is the correct? First option is the correct one. Next question, choose the correct statements from the following. Okay, what is the first one? Naming of organisms is done as per the guidelines of the ICZN. Means what is the ICZN? International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. And next option is Carolus Linnaeus popularized the binomial nomenclature. We know that here they given Carolus Linnaeus scientist, he popularized by binomial nomenclature. Means two names, genus name and species name that contain. And next, what is the third one? Names must be in Latin or Latinized form and are usually printed in italics. Here, what are the options they given? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, and all. In these, the three options are right. Okay, means what is the correct answer? Fourth one is the correct answer. Okay.